Hi there, I'm Liz and welcome to Braided Inkwell's Natural Storyteller Toolbox. This storytelling tool is located at Storify.com. Today we're going to review use of the Storify Storypad, which is another way to gather interesting and compelling content while searching the web. Now after signing into Storify, click the Storify tab. Look for the bookmarklet to the far right and click that. Now drag the Storify bookmarklet to your bookmarks bar. And there you go. You're ready to storify content as you browse. So let's do some looking. So I'm going to go to some preloaded pages. I have a few here. And what you do, you just click Storify this. Let's go to the next page. And we're also going to click Storify this. And the last one. And we'll do the same thing. Now let's return to Storify to check the Storypad. And the stories are right there. Now let's look at a couple of other features of the Storify Storypad. Let's go to Storified Elements to see what has already been storified. And this is what we see. Now let's type in hashtag Romney. And this is what we get. By the way, this is not an endorsement of any presidential candidate. Now go to User, and here's what turns up when I type in my username. My only storified story. Up to this point, there will be more. Now let's go to Story. And if I type in Natural Hair Roundup, dealing with dry scalp, which is the name of my storified story, the request times out at this point. So let's return back to the SPad, and you can see what you storified earlier and add these elements to the story as you see fit. Now, if you don't add something during the present session and you log out and then you come back, the elements will be right there for you upon your return, so no worries about that. Now let's enter a headline. And our description. And let's add some text. Okay. And if the story looks as if we want it to look, we can go ahead and publish. Don't forget that, unless you want to come back and edit, but don't forget to publish. That's one of the most important parts. And that's the end of this Storify story. Social media rocks.